Okay, today I'm gonna teach my 15-year-old and 18-year-old to change the rotor on the Honda Pilot. Okay, this Pilot we've been driving for a long time. This is a 2004, but we haven't changed the rotor, and it's it, it's pretty rough right here. So whenever you go on the freeway, the alignment is good, doesn't shake or anything, but when you step on the brake, at about 60 miles per hour, the steering wheel starts shaking like crazy. So yeah, it's the rotor, and the brake pad is still brand new. We just changed that like a couple weeks ago, but the rotor is pretty rough. It's got all these lines on here, you see that? So we're gonna change the rotor today, okay? And I'm gonna show you how easy it is, because my 15-year-old and 18-year-old is gonna do this, okay? Okay, so usually when you change the brake, you usually when you change the brake, you take out the let me see, let me get under here so I can show you guys, okay? Okay, usually when you guys change the brake, you take out the bottom here, right? And then you just lift. Okay, so you just lift this up, and then take out your brake pads, and then use the clamp for the cylinder, right? But to change the rotor, what you need to do is you gotta take out the bottom one, the top one, so this whole piece right here comes out, right? And then the for the I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark in here, but for the rotor you have to take these right here, the back, okay? This is size, what size was the socket for the one in the back here? 17, okay. This is socket 12, 17, okay, and they have one on the bottom and one on the top, okay, up here. See that behind there, okay. So my kid's gonna is gonna do this take out. Okay, go ahead. Okay, and then do the top.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then Tim, go ahead and help Matt with that. Just lift that up. Yep. Okay. So once you get this piece off right here, usually I use like a wire to tie that up there, so it doesn't fall down, or maybe sever the brake lines. Okay, so tie it up there, and then now he's gonna take this part right here out. There's two screws in the back. Okay, go ahead. Socket 17, okay? You can I'm using this impact wrench, or you can just use a regular wrench, okay? Okay. Okay. So once you get that, just go ahead and take that piece out and set it on the floor right there. Okay. All right. And then go ahead to get the screw. Get the big one, yeah. That. Yep. And then just take down the screws. Just remember, the position of the screw, it makes it easier for you, diagonal like this, right? So when you put the new one in, it should be like that.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of hard.
Okay. Okay, so you just use a regular screw, and yeah, take out the screw. Okay. Okay. Yep. And then go ahead and take out the rotors. Mm-hmm. Yep. All right. And then let's go get the new one. Okay. These are my 15-year-olds and 17-year-old. Okay, they. You remember? See, this one, that one is right here. Okay, so make sure it's like diagonal, like you had it before. Yeah, right there. Yep. And then just put the screw right back in. Push it all the way in. Okay, there. And just put the screw back in. Put that other one too. Yep. Okay, there you go. That's it. And then go ahead and put that other piece back on. Yeah, just wipe that real quick. Okay, yeah, that's good. You put that piece right back on.
This one?
Yeah. And then everything goes back the way you took it out before. Okay. There. And then get the other screws. Okay. Okay, then just once you got that thread in, just kind of tighten up and put it back to where when you take it off. So good.
Okay.
You don't really need to torque it because once you reach the end of the screw, it'll stick. Okay. So now, okay. So now you just let this down. Okay. And okay, go ahead. Screw it. Once you screw everything back in there, just tighten up. Tighten up the bottom and the top. I'm not going to show you how to put the brake parts together because we did that in another video. So this is pretty much just about the rotor. Okay. Just tighten up the bottom and the top. And this is it. New rotor. Okay. So since we got this rotor out and the oil filter is right there, we're gonna change the oil next. Okay, and I have that on my other videos, so you guys go ahead and tune in. Okay, and thank you for coming by, and if you have any questions, drop down below. Okay, thank you for coming by, and please like and subscribe.